What's my favorite toy? Students ask me that all the time. And the truth is, it's whichever toy I'm building or playing with at the moment. But I have to admit I have a special fondness for this invention. It's called Crazy Cords, the Friendship Bracelet Factory. It's a machine for turning everyday yarn into beautiful twisted rope. Ropes that can be used for belts and jump ropes, keychains, and of course friendship bracelets. It's based on an ancient technology dating back at least 5,000 years. I first learned about rope making as a Boy Scout when I saw a primitive twisting tool used to turn twine into heavy ropes. I started experimenting with devices that kids could use easily to get the same results. It turned into Crazy Cords and earned me US patent 5,603,207. After a few years, Crazy Cords went the way of so many other toys, which is to say, you can't buy them anymore. You just might have to make your friendship bracelets the old-fashioned way, by hand.